Good morning, class 11th. Now, today is the topic very interesting. Is the topic is the relative motion. You can see in my thumbnail the relative motion. It means relative motion का मीनिंग है एक के रेस्पेक्ट में दूसरे को मूव करवाना. So you can please be allowed in my screen. Relative motion, the relative object, relative velocity. It is called the relative velocity of an object 2 with respect to the object 1 when the both are in the same, both are in the motion is the time rate of change of position of object 2 with respect to the object 1. ओके, इट मीन्स एक के रेस्पेक्ट में 2 को 1 के रेस्पेक्ट में 1 को 2 के रेस्पेक्ट में मूव करवाना, बोथ ही मोशन करेंगे. एक्सप्लेन. वी कंसीडर द टू ऑब्जेक्ट ए एंड बी मूविंग uniformly with average velocity va vb in the same dimension saying along the x axis. Okay, so now at a object first, now the velocity definition by velocities definition, the va is equal to change of velocity. It means x a t minus x a 0. X a t it means t time per displacement, and x 0 it means initial position value, or t time per position value are given here, the t minus 0. So va is equal to x a t minus x a 0 t. Okay, now cross multiplication, so VAT is equal to x a t minus x a 0. Okay, so write down all of you this point. And now next point is very simple. This point is the related so we x a t is equal to now x a 0 plus v a t, this point. Okay, similarly now the x b t is equal to x b 0 plus v b t. There are given some equation 1 and 2. Okay, so write down. Okay, write down subtraction equation first and second. Subtracting equation first and second, and we have, so subtracting value here, they are subtracting value. It means the xba t, it means xbt, it means b ऑब्जेक्ट b की पोजीशन t टाइम के रिगार्डिंग में, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट a की पोजीशन इसके टाइम के रिगार्डिंग में. सो xbat xt is equal to xb0 plus vbt minus xa0 plus vat. So now xb0 minus xa0 and plus vb minus vat. Okay, the xbat. Okay, there is the position at the time t is equal to 0, says value is the 0. Now remaining value xbat, here is the vb minus vat. Okay, so write down here. Now here is the bav, v is equal to bat. Okay, this mechanism is write down all of you. Okay, similarly object B. So x ABT is equal to ABT. It means x ABT is equal to VA minus VBT. Okay, this value is the given is the relative value. Okay, so all of you students write down. And second, various graphical method. So plotting here the various graph. First case are considered here. There are the object A and B are the parallel. First case, here is the draw. There and there. A and B both are the parallel position. 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so right here time is 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, this is the value is the first case. First case is very simple. Object A and object B are two objects moving in the same direction. Case first, when two objects moving same direction. When two objects moving same direction, with same velocity. Okay, velocity are same, so both are the same direction. It means VA and VB are equal. So that VBA, it means VB minus VA, and VAB, it means VA minus VB, both are the zero case. Okay, both are the zero case. Okay, this case is the both are the same direction. Second case, write down. When the second case, second case is the when VB is greater than VA. Okay, VB is greater than VA, relative theory. So that relative velocity is VB minus VA. VB minus VA is the positive value. Which value? Positive value. Okay, so plotting the graph 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here is the plotting the graph is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so both are the object A here and object B here. Okay, object 1 and object 2. Okay, so both are the positive value. It means position of XBT minus XAT is increased, then velocity is also positive. Write down. Now third case is the VB less than VA. VB is less than VA, so relative positive value is negative, and position VB minus VA is decreasing value. Then velocity is negative, and graphical point, both are graphical value is the crossing here, that point. Okay, here is the object 1, and here is the object 2. Okay, here is the velocity VA, and here is the velocity VB. Okay, so all of students write down. Okay, thank you friends. रिलेटिव थ्योरी चैप्टर नंबर 3 की मैंने आपको दे दी है, इसको आप अपनी कॉपी में राइट डाउन कर लीजिए। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।